Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk to you about fractions. Fractions can be found in everyday items such as food. So the next time you eat a pizza or a bar of chocolate, just think of this. Now, nature also has lots of fractions. For example, take this frangipani. It has 5 petals. But what would happen if I were to color in not 1, but 2 petals? Then what would I do? Well, I know that 2 out of 5 petals have been colored in. This is a fraction. Before we go any further, does everybody know what the parts of a fraction are called? The top number is called the numerator, the bottom number is called the denominator, and the middle number is just the vinculum. So now that we've gotten this far, what is an equivalent fraction? An equivalent fraction is a fraction that is exactly the same as another fraction. For example, take 2/3 and 4/6. But it's sort of like a buddy system, I guess. But how do we get it? How do we get these two numbers and how do they relate? Well, if you're thinking this, don't worry, because I'm about to teach you. Whatever you do to the numerator, you do to the denominator. This means that I times the 2 by 2 to get 4, and I multiplied the 3 by 2 to get 6. This means that 4/6 is exactly the same as 2/3, which means that they're both equivalent fractions. Now, I hope you've enjoyed my small talk on equivalent fractions, so how about we have a cookie, or maybe have another cookie, and another cookie? Maybe I'll stop at that. Well, anyways, I'll just eat my cookies. Yum, yum. This is good. Anyways, the cookies, right. I was going to tell you that I baked 20 cookies, and I think I gave you 3, didn't I? Yes, it was 3. Anyways, I gave you 3 cookies. I ate 1 cookie, but what fraction of cookies were eaten altogether? Now, if you said 4/20, you were correct. Put your hand up and stand proud. If you didn't, don't worry, you've still got a lot of learning to do. Now, while I leave, can you find out this for me? Since I told you about equivalent fractions, can you find an equivalent fraction for this number? 4/20.